Pilitin mang lumaya sa tayo na sa piling mo. Di na babalik, hindi na babalik. Ito lang ang parang patuloy lang sa buhay mo. Limutin ang pag-ibig mo, hindi na babalik, hindi na babalik. Pilitin mo lumayasin tayo kung nasa piling mo. Di na babalik, hindi na babalik. I'm thinking of you. You sleep silence. If it runs away, my heart is one since. Okay. Students are divided into groups with different opinions about a topic. Each group discusses the ideas and works together to present arguments to the class. Each group talks about their ideas, finds, and okay. Each students are divided into groups with different opinions about a topic. Each group discusses their ideas and works together to present arguments to the class. So each group talks about their ideas, find informations, and and to support their opinions. I support their opinions and their prepare what it prepares their arguments. This activity will help students to will help to will help will help students to improve their thinking skills, communication, and confidence. It teaches us, it teaches them to respect other people's opinions. Hi, colleagues. Magaan na ba ang iyong paghinga? Bumalik ka na sa akin. Klaro na ba ang isip sinta? Bumalik ka na sa... Because of your